Hello everyone, this is Steven, and in today's video, we'll be going through how to learn Patwa in a minute. Now, this video has been recorded in Jamaica, and as you may already know, Jamaica is the birthplace of the fastest male and female sprinter in the world today, that is Usain Bolt and Shelly Fraser. Not only that, but it's also the birthplace of the reggae icon, as many of you already know, that is Bob Marley. Now, in today's video, what we'll be covering, we'll be helping you to speak the Jamaican language, which is the Jamaican Creole, or popularly known as the Jamaican Patwa. Now, the Jamaican Patwa is a English-based Creole, and that is mainly of the influence from the Western African origin, mainly the Alcan origin. And in videos that will be coming out, we'll be covering just some simple basics, such as greetings, and also some phrases. Also, we'll be helping you how to speak conversational Patwa. And that is simply learning how to say what's going on. Like, you come to Jamaica, and if you want to effectively communicate with persons on the island, this is what you want to say. What is going on? Right? In Patwa, that is Wagwan. Right? I know it might be a little much for you right now because it has accent and it also have expressions, which you'll be learning in videos to come. So what I want to ask you to do is to stay tuned, because we also have the response to that, which is Medea man or my good man. You can use any one of those, right? So what I'm going to ask you to do is to hit like, subscribe, and also leave a comment below with any word or any phrase that you'd like me to help you to translate, or maybe to make a video on it. So thank you very much for watching, and look out, we're coming again.